Okay, so today we're going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich. Get yourself some bread, cutting board, some butter, some cheese, I like mild cheddar. And we're going to mix it up today with some light Swiss too. Alright, so let's get the bread out. I'm going to get rid of this bread. Alright, once you got your bread, get a butter knife. Go ahead and spread some butter on there. And this is kind of up to you how much you put on there. So get that all on there. So once you got your buttered pieces of bread, go ahead and get ready to put them on here. I have this grill thing. You can cook it on a stove if you want, but I'm going to cook it in this grill thing. So go ahead and put the butter side down. Let that sit for a second. And then get your pieces of cheese. Put them on. Get the other side, butter side up. Put that on. Look at that. And just press down. I'll let that sit for a second. Now once you've let that cook for about a minute, minute and a half, it should be about done. So we're gonna grab that. Shouldn't be too hard to get off. I'm gonna put it there. And look at that, you've got your grilled cheese sandwich. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.